Hi there, Ivan from the Lacroix Cruiser, and our goal today is to get this into that. Yes, so we're going to time lapse this whole process so you see how fun, not so easy it is, but no, it's not that difficult. Just requires patience, bit of time, and some effort at sometimes. So we'll time lapse you in. Have fun. It's in. Yes. So the four yeah. So the 4 bolts that hold the engine in are in. They're good to go. So next we have got a lot of wires, a lot of hoses, drive shaft, a few other things to hook up, but we're working on it. Follow along.